Hi friends, today we are going to show you what is the first step when you receive the PFMS ID from the department from the SRLM. Then what is the first step you need to do for your accounting. Okay, first of all, there are many 2-3 steps which you have to before accounting you have to create those things, done those things. So first of all you have to create a user so who will account your entry in PFMS, and then one more who is going to approve that those entries. So you need to create two operators for the PFMS who will look after all the PFMS accounting. Okay, so first of all you have to create one data entry operator who will pass all the entries, and one who will approve those entries so that the payment can be done or accounting can be done in PFMS. So you have to create one data entry operator and one data entry approver who will approve those entries. Okay, so you have to go on you have to first of all log in from your administrator ID which you have got from the department. I have logged in with my administrator ID. Okay, that is very important. So this is, you have only the ID right now. As of now you have only this ID in the PFMS. So you have to create two more users for this work. Okay, so you have to, this is the home screen of the PFMS. Once you log in you will find this menus. There are so many options like home, e-payment, health mode, agency. So first of all we have to create two users for this work. Okay, so you have to go to on master, which is here, then you have to select user. Okay, and this is the first time, so you have to add new. We have to create a user firstly. Okay, so we are creating a new user. Okay, the first thing we see here is the type of user. Okay, there are three options. One is agency data administrator, agency data approver, or agency data operator. This is the data operator which who is going to make those entries for the PFMS. Okay, and this one is for who will approve those entries which made by data operator. So first we have to create a data operator who will make all the entries in PFMS. Okay, and then data operator who will approve those entry, then only the payment will be effect. Okay, so first you just go to data operator, then put his name, like who's that person. Here you mention the accounts team which who is going to pass the entries. So put his name here, like I am putting like Ramesh. Okay, and then last name you put your staff details here, his email ID, his phone number. It is not compulsory, but mobile number you must put there because you will get OTP in that mail ID. Then you have to provide a login ID. Okay, there will be a separate login ID for him which he can choose whatever he wants. Okay, so suppose I'm putting this one, and we have to remember this ID for the future use. Then click on submit. The phone number is also required, so mention the same. Now he will receive OTP on their mail ID and phone number. Okay, so the record has been successfully, your password has been sent to your email address. Okay, the user ID will be this which you have mentioned there for data entry operator. Okay, and the password has been sent on mail ID. So this has done. Now we have to create one more user for who is going to approve that entries will make data operator. Okay, so we have to create one more ID for data approver who is responsible for approve all those entries. Okay, which is label 1. Mention his name, your senior manager or accounts manager. Suppose I'm putting here sir, mail ID. It is must because you will get the password on mail ID only. Mention his phone number, his mobile number, and the login ID, whatever he wants to choose. Click on submit. That's all. Record saved successfully. Your password has been sent to your mail address. Okay, so we have created two IDs, one for data entry operator, one for data approver. You can find those users here on manage. User type, select. Okay, one ID we have created for data entry operator. His name is this and this. Okay, enable. Click on this. One more ID we have created for data approver who will approve those entries which we are going to pass. Okay, his username is this one. Username you must remember always, because then only you can entry and approve those entries. That's it there. That's all for now. In next part we will tell you that how we will pass those entries, like how we will start recording the entries accounting in PFMS. Like we have to pass the opening balance, we have to receive those funds which we have received from the department.